Future continuous is used to express an activity that will be in progress or will be continuing at a time in the future. So, on this timeline diagram, this is future. An activity starts happening and then it keeps happening and then it stops. This is a continuous activity. This is a progressive activity that is in the future. So, how to talk about that? I will be working all day tomorrow. This is in the future. I will be working. This is progressive. I will be working all day. So, it's very simple. Use will plus be plus a verb with ing. This makes future continuous. We can also use going to. For example, I'm going to be studying tonight. So tonight is in the future, right? I'm going to be studying. Going to plus be plus verb ing. I'm going to be studying tonight. They will be playing games this weekend. This weekend is in the future. They will be playing. Will be ing. He is going to be teaching the next week. Going to be ing. Going to be ing. The next week. And the next week is in the future. So this is present continuous to talk about future. And future continuous is as simple as that. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good time and take care.